Hey, in order to tag us, you guys have to launch off and tag us while we're on the slide.
Now there are
Everybody get on the
3.
slide. Everybody's not it. Get on the slide.
This is not.
Oh, we gotta get
Alright,
on the
this is
slide.
gonna
Oh,
be fun.
shoot. Don't mind me.
Yo,
I'm gonna
yo.
just go.
Hey,
Don't tag him. Don't tag him, guys.
I still see yours out.
Where is he?
Don't go yet. Don't go yet. Don't go yet.
He
Don't
moved.
tag here.
Just go.
Here.
No,
Yeah,
don't tag,
yeah,
don't tag.
yeah,
Go over
yeah,
there, go over there, go over there, go
go
over there.
Wait, you, rat. Oh,
Come on, come here.
Oh my gosh, bro, I hate link cables.
I still see yours out.
Alright, is that everybody? Is that everybody?
Right here.
Yeah, the Angry Bird. I wanna go.
You're not nice.
You're a bomb guy. I am red guy. You are
everybody?
chicken.
No, you can't go behind the tree.
Hey, I'm not a chicken.
I still see your toes.
We're targeting him first, right?
No, don't you dare target.
Oh, get him, get him.
Okay, wait. When you guys launch, go.
Yeah.
You guys.
Okay,
go,
me
go,
second.
Go. Come on. Come on.
Come on.
Oh,
Go back.
Oh,
Oh, that dude actually got close. Nope, not quite.
Okay, but you guys, when you launch, you cannot walk on the slide. You have to tag us while you're in the air, or you land on top of us. You can't move. You can't move, bro.
What's up, guys? Mini intro.
Alright, do I get y'all?
We're doing Angry Birds with the same guy that I did the talent show video with,
oh yeah.
and I'm connected to a cable. Sadly, because it died during the talent show.
I couldn't.
You can't tag. He would have gotten you. You can't tag, bro. You would have gotten him.
That's crazy.
Dude, I'm so scared because I might break something.
Guys, just stay there.
You're
Okay, it's
fine.
okay.
Oh,
Oh, that's so close. That was close.
Oh my god.
Oh,
Oh.
dude, they just need more speed. They could have
they
gotten
don't know
both
how
of us
to
and more
launch.
speed.
I know how to launch. I'm a professional.
Ow, frick, bro.
Oh. No.
I already broke my freaking toolbox.
Hands, they don't have hands.
Ow, again?
Like this, okay?
I hate this.
Guys, slide on your hands. Guys, slide on your hands. Slides when they have.
So lay down. I'm sliding both times. I'm smooth.
Oh yeah, that was the best.
Bro.
Oh, there
Oh,
you
those
go.
massive slides going from the computer
Here,
to
tag
the
me,
ground.
tag me, tag me.
That was freaking awesome. No, you tagged the wrong guy.
I did it in the air.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did. I jumped off the tree and I tagged you midair.
Yeah, that's not how that works. That's not at all how that works. Also, you cheated.
Guys,
I'm
reverse
tagging
Angry
you.
Birds.
Reverse Angry Birds, guys. Reverse Angry Birds.
Reverse Angry Birds. Watch this.
Okay.
One more.
Oh, yeah.
We need one more. We need
Ow!
one more.
Frick you!
We're gonna go. Yeah.
I'm so autistic.
Oh yeah.
Okay, tag.
Guys,
Did not.
let's all go down there.
Yes, I did.
Dude, 3%. I swear to God, bro.
Get into my hands.
Oh.
That's not a juice.
It's on site.
Why can't
It's on
I
site.
get it?
It's on site for all of you.
Bro, I keep hitting my freaking toolbox.
Who you gonna attack? Who you gonna attack first?
Everybody get tagged. Everybody get tagged.
Bro, I keep hitting my
Everybody get tagged.
toolbox. It sucks.
Where's the person who's it?
I still see yours. I
Hey,
was in my room.
Okay, who's it? Come up here. Whoever is it, come up here.
Yeah, you can get perfect amount of speed.
Yo, Orange,
I'm
get
it.
up here.
I'm it. I don't. I'm on. I'm on that you.
Hey, then leave.
You go. Wow.
Hold on, I'm
You
going
let
to.
me out saying. Wow.
Okay, if you're it, tag us.
Alright, back.
Restart the
Alright,
round.
back.
Restart the round.
What is going on there?
Purple, get up here. Purple, get up here.
Where is he?
It's like, did I just break my freaking...
Do not leave. Do not leave from up here.
Wait.
Do not leave from up here. Bro,
there a
Orange,
different
get,
purple
bro.
there?
Orange. Add a 1 to the code.
Tag it.
Actually, no, guys, come here. Guys, everyone come up. Everyone come
No,
here.
I'm gonna do
Everyone
this the normal way.
Everyone come here. Quick. Add this to the code. Come here. No, come here. Add this to the code. Add this to the code.
Two.
Shut up, don't say it out
Don't say it out
loud.
loud, you retard.
Oh my
Alright.
god.
King dumbass.
I feel so bad. I feel so bad, bro. Little man was not feeling it. You shut your.
Whoever said it, bro.
Why is
I'm
it
the other guy's
casual?
gonna
Why is it casual? Why is
No,
it casual?
everyone.
Why is it casual?
Everyone.
Who joined with it on casual? Because it's the first person.
Out of
to get
7.
here. That's
Out of 7 as well.
They didn't know I had it on casual. Is it still casual?
No.
Nah. I put it on infection.
Ryak, you little
I'm right here,
butthole.
guys.
I don't even know where that went.
It's not casual. It's infection.
Okay, perfect.
Infection.
dude. You know what? Actually,
we
we
have-
have a pretty fun
okay.
idea.
Tag us.
What
Tag
if
us.
the Angry
Everybody tag each
Bird
other.
was like the. What if the Angry Bird was the guardian and you had to like try to smack the people off with your hands because you know.
Let's go in Guardian. Let's go in Guardian.
Oh,
Wait,
nice, so
guys,
smart.
can we get one more person? Can we get one more person? Because I
Okay,
want to.
press 3. Press 3.
Ah, bro, my nails. Bro, can like. I hope this video like goes good. 273. What kind of code is that, bro? Now entering mountains. Whenever I make a video, it's usually when there's people in my code. Because most of the time there's not. Oh my gosh, what's up, Blue?
Okay, I'll be big first. I'll be big first. Did the others know to go in this code?
I think they, I don't know.
Here, I'll go back and check.
Come back. Make sure to come back. Let's see. So yeah, guys, these are just random people I just found in my code, and then I just make a video with them. So if you want to be in a video, just enter Pine, and then 32 people will see you, because I only have that much subscribers. Ryak, why are you so mean? Don't give me that look. I'm gonna eat your ass. He's gonna eat me! He's gonna eat me! I love little kids. Hey, yo! Can I, like, go down? Oh, hooray! You guys are back!
Were you going to use me? Stop! Stop! Stop!
How are you not flying very far?
Yes! Yes!
Blue disappeared.
No! Why? Why? Please!
What? Look at that guitar! It's so huge!
Over you for the weekend. I have custody over you
Help
for the
me!
weekend.
Help me! Help me! Help me!
I won the custody battle. I can throw you just as much as I want.
I'm in. I'm back.
Yeah.
Hey, I'll be big first. I'm big first. Ryan, just get advice.
Hey, Blue, get this for some content.
Get this for some content. The deep voice and the just holding on.
Help
Where's
me.
Blue? Where's Blue?
Help
at?
me!
I'm good.
Help me!
Blue, come to Igloo.
me! Help me!
Touch me.
Help
I'm gonna
me!
light him on fire.
I need to see this.
God, no!
I'm gonna light you on fire. Come here.
Let me go! Let me go!
Hey, let me. I'm gonna clean you off.
Aw, thank you! Thank you so much!
Got it. No.
Okay,
That was
I'm
a-
big first. Okay,
Yes!
Dude, it was a really
fly.
funny bit.
Don't worry, I got
Funny
that.
bit.
I got it. Don't worry. Let's see if I could hurry and get over here without hitting anything.
I'm going to get
Purple,
getting
stop
the
it!
stone.
Stop it!
Purple.
I'm going to
See,
get my
this is why we kept throwing you.
Purple, don't.
Black, I got that little part of video.
I need revenge!
Black,
Purple. I'll throw you outside.
bro,
I will throw you outside.
I got that little bit.
Oh, you got the bit?
Yeah.
Dude, you didn't get the funnier. Did you get the part where it was like, I have custody for the weekend?
No.
Purple, I will
There's a part where I literally just like, I was literally just tossing him, just picking him up and throwing him. And then when he tried to get the rock, I just smacked him. He's like, I'm gonna sue you. I was like, yeah, might as well put child abuse on the charges anyway. Pretty great, but you know, all fun must come to an
I
end.
got you.
Child support. All fun must come to an end.
Boing. My plan.
Jeez, I feel like Ryak, are you okay?
Makes a funny noise.
Bakadu, post me.
Listen, I
Are you
need to get
sad?
off- I need to get.
What? How did you
Why do I feel like I shrank?
You can just smallify.
I need to get my revenge.
Whoa.
Hey guys, let's hurry up with the video. My headset's gonna die soon.
Mine is like already dead. I'm like having it on a link cable while I'm charged, like as I'm filming.
Okay, no, guys, stop going for the thing.
I'm just joking. I didn't even hit it.
Where's purple?
I'm just joking. I'm just joking.
I'm gonna slap you guys. No, this is better. I'm gonna slap you guys away. I'm
No.
trying to defend it.
I need to
I'm not even hitting it.
For today's
Bro.
video, we're just playing Guardian.
Yeah. For today's video, looks like we're all YouTubers. I did not even doing anything. Oh, look at that! You got me up here.
Piss off.
piss off?
Oh my gosh! Again.
Mate.
Oh no! Purple got it. He's gonna kill us all.
Get back! Oh no, he's gonna kill me. Yeah, try to grab me.
I know your secrets.
Yep, and you can't grab me.
No.
Come here, purple. Don't you ever try something like that ever again.
No! No! Again!